In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Many of the people we knew, we were meeting and interacting with, are not alive today. They have gone. They are no more here in this world. And they are off and on being discussed, at least for some time, either in good ways, words, or in not so good words. But the people who have the memories with these people either sometime think about them or they talk about them. It does happen. We too will be no more after some of the time. We too are not here forever. Like everyone else, we too are not here forever. We do have to leave this world and have to leave it forever. And the people who knew us, the people who did meet us, the people who had interacted with us, they will be sometime thinking about us, sometime talking about us. Although they too have have to leave this world, and then there will be no one who will be talking about us. But we want the people to talk about us in a positive way. We want the people to admire us even when we are gone and we can't benefit them at all. We want the people to admire us. Now, the question is that I am an ordinary person. Is it possible? Is it possible? Can it be done? Of course, it can be done. Why is it not possible? It is quite possible. Then there is another thing. We sometime we do think that I should be, alas, had I been a great human being. Alas, had I been a great human being. We want to become a great human being. That's fine. We want to become a great human being. Who don't want to be a great human being? Sometimes we think that I should do something or I should live my life in such a manner that I too will be regarded among the good people, among the great people once I am gone, even during my life. Now, the question is it possible for us? Yes, it is possible for us. The answer is yes, it is possible for us. It is quite possible for us. And is it impossibly difficult? It is not impossibly difficult. Is it very difficult? It is not very difficult. Although some sort of effort is needed, no matter what we are trying to do, some sort of effort is needed after all, and the effort is needed here as well. This too, something very important and very good indeed, cannot be done without some of the efforts. Some sort of efforts are needed here as well. What we need to do then? What we need to do then? First of all, we need to know what is the attitude of the commoners, what are the attitudes of the ordinary people towards those who have done good with them and towards those who has not gone good, who have not done good with them. An ordinary person believes in the tit for tat, believes in returning the same coin. An ordinary person will be treating well to those who have treated him or her well, and towards those who are powerful people, who can either do good with him or her, or can do the bad with him or her as well. Now an ordinary person will be treating very well to the powerful people on the one hand, and to the people who have done quite good with them on the other hand. This is not the attitude of the great people. Since this is not the attitude of the great people, since this is the attitude of an ordinary people, so that is why we need to abandon it. And we need to do something which suits the great people. We need to do something which is according to the great people. And what is it, by the way? It is that we do need to treat well the people who have treated us well. There is nothing to discuss upon it. Other than that, other than that, we don't need to be get impressed by the people who are powerful, rich and powerful. We don't need to be in the awe of those people who are rich and powerful, who can do good with us and who can do bad with us. We don't need to become much compliant. We don't need to become much obedient to these people. If at all you do meet and look upon each other, he she looks upon you, you look upon them. It is okay to say salam and do you can do it even respectfully. But beyond that I think nothing is needed here. Because being compliant, obedient, very much cooperative, over cooperative to these people, actually it is not the sign of those who are the great people. And we need to treat well to the people who treat us well. We need to treat well to those people who did not treat us well. We need to treat very well the people who did not treat us very well. That is how we can differentiate ourselves from the people who are ordinary people, and that is how we can become a great human being. We can become a great people. Not only this thing, there is another thing to do as well. That is, the objectives we are pursuing should not be very small. The objectives we are pursuing should not be very small on the one hand. On the other hand, we should be damn serious about these great causes, these great objectives. We need to set the ethical objectives. We need to work for those objectives in an ethical manner at the same time. We need to have great objectives of life on the one hand, and we need to work upon these very seriously and quite ethically. We need to take these great causes with quite a lot of seriousness on the one hand. We need to struggle quite an ethical manner on the other hand. As simple as this one. That is how we can become a great human being. I think that this is something which is feasible and possible for each and everyone else, and not just for the few people. Thank you, Jazakallah.